Good morning, Frank Watkins, 14th of November 2022. The All Ords up about 11 points following through from last week's 260-odd point rally, so still a bit of strength there. A couple of things, apologies for no recordings during the week for the last few weeks. A couple of reasons: we've been flat out for a start, but secondly, no questions from anyone, so we can only sit here and assume that everyone's blissfully content. If you're not, shoot us a question. We'll do our best to answer. First question today was, how do we find stocks that are at a 52-week high? So we go into basic scan for patterns and events, and we get all the patterns, throw 52 period breakup based on the close in the events section. Then you need to go to weekly data and hit scan, and we have 39 of them. So the first one there, ADT, clearly we've now flicked the weekly charts 1 year and we are at a 52-week high. The next one, AEV, again just bashing up against a 52-week high. AGY, now this would have been a 52-week high here and here and here and here, so just bear that in mind. There's a few good ones there. AKE looks pretty good. BKI looks pretty good also. BUR right at a 52-week high. So there's 39 of them to go through. Now the second question was, how do we find the greatest percentage increase? Let's say over 52 weeks. So we'll go into basic scans again, scan for fundamentals, and somewhere here, okay, looking for returns of more than, let's say, 25% over the last 12 months. And again, we'll just throw that onto weekly and see what happens. Okay, we've got 168 of them. If we look at the first one, ABX, we've gone from 10 cents, we're now at 14.5. I'm not quite sure what the questioner wants to get from this scan, but there's 168 of them. So let's try and find something that has really done something spectacular, and let's go to returns of more than, say, 100% over the last 12 months. And okay, we've got the 3 cents stuff. We're going to have cheap stocks in here. This has gone from 1.3 to 3.2, so there's well over 100% there. ARL, same, but the big rally was back in April to $2. We're now at 99 cents. Anyway, there's 52 stocks that have done better than 100%. So let's just try and narrow things down a bit, and we'll go to 200%. Look for the real flyers. Okay, we've got 18 of those, and again, here's this ALY, a 3 cent job. AS20, and again, we can see we started here at about 6 cents, and we're now 21 cents. So, BASO, that's an option, gone from nothing to 0.004. CAU from 20 cents to 64. So there are ways of achieving what you want to achieve. And while I'm saying we're perfectly happy to answer questions, if you're going to send us a question, can you possibly explain what sort of outcome you're after? We may be able to give you better scans or better ideas than just simply answering a question when we don't know the outcome. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Thanks very much. Talk later.